when I first met you. Sincerely, no lie, I was thinking this is meant to be. She's so fly, and just the kind of lady that the doctor ordered. Yes, the same look in her eyes, the one in her daughter. And I can't tell you how much you mean to me. I can only show you my love, but you be my queen, so you don't have to worry, you don't have to wonder. Just keep it real, let no man take us under. I know with feelings, the growth is gradual, but you got me feeling when we close, it's nothing casual. I'm thinking all kind of things, wedding bell setting says you got me lovesick, and I don't see no getting, but it's natural, letting it gel, coming together. You and me, thick as thieves, not fair weather. Friends don't ends, man, none of that. Just hold it down, baby, cause I got it under wraps. You remind me of a dream I seen the other night. It was filled full of flowers in a deep blue light. You was wearing a dress that'll impress the flyest diva. It was you and me, serenaded by Anita Baker, enough to make my nature rise. Enchanted by your smile and your smoky brown eyes, floating on a sea of eternity. When you turned to me and said, this is all I yearn to be. Did I make a mistake? Did I tell the story right? Wasn't it beautiful how we just laid all night? Listening to our heartbeat, sparking this sweet melody enough to let our souls fly free. Let our minds take flight, let our dreams run wild. We talk about this love, how we made this child, how we made these vows, how we consecrated, how we took the everyday and made it sacred. Sometimes it's hard and sometimes it's easy. Sometimes she bugged me, sometimes she pleased me. I know in my heart that girl needs me, and at the end of the day, she knows how to read me. So I buckle down and give that love freely. Show her for her, this man here's greedy, and only her specialness can feed me. I take the time and such and let the moment lead me. I know you got concerns about what I did. For sure it's hard to learn, but yo, we still kids trying to find a way to grow in each other's